Hi, on this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up formatting option for each of the pre-filled information from Podio item to your contract here. So if you notice, some of the dates here are being defaulted to um, not much readable format. For example, the date here, this one is from the current date, and also the closing date and deadline. And for example, also for the property address, you want to remove the comma space USA word here. You can easily do that. And for pricing, like if you want to make this a decimal, you can also do that. So to set formatting, go to open your document, and then go to settings and enable the value formatter here. And this will add a new section, value formatter. And this will just display all of the tokens, field mappings, or Podio fields you have mapped either in the email, custom document name, right here. It will also display, and you'll be able to format the property address and current date on the document name as well. So first, I'm gonna change the contract date, anything related to date. So I'll just search for it. So there are three um, um, items showing here. And to assign a format on these dates, just click this plus icon here, add format, and this pop-up will show up. The first one, there's two sub-tab here, format and other formatting. So other formatting, there's only option here for text replacement and then default value. So default value will be used if the folder item field is empty. So first, let's set up the format, and it will automatically detect what type of format or field um, the folder field is. So in this case, current date is a date, and you have a couple of formatting option here. If you click one of these, you'll see the resulting output at the example here at the header, um, like this. And I'll just use this one right here. And I'll do the same thing with closing date and deadline. Now, I want to format for example, the buyer name here. I want it to be all capital or uppercase, the same with the seller name. I can do that. Um, let's say name, seller name here, and I can select uppercase here. And the same thing with the buyer. I'm gonna change to uppercase. Now for the property address, I want the word this one comma space USA to be removed. So I can do that. Assign a format and go to other formatting. Replace that exact keyword comma space USA. The same thing with um, the custom document name. And I want it to be all capital. Hit save. Now, if let's see if that works. I'll generate a new um, document. There you go. It works. As you can see, it capitalized the photo, the seller name and buyer name, and corrected the format of the date, and it removes the USA word. Same thing here. And just to show you the formatting available for price or money field or number, you have this option here: round out, round down, round half. By default, money number using round half. And if you want to add decimal places here, you can do that as well. I'll just an example. I'll add decimal 2 places for both price and deposit. And let's generate a new document. And let's see. There you go. As you can see, it just adds decimal places here. And it's still in thousand separator. Please take note that if you use email delivery and inserted tokens, you also need to assign separate formatting options for each of the entered tokens here. For example, you add price, um, any date here, closing date, deadline, and then what else? Address. And here also, let's say under email subject, I want to add the address. Now, if I go to value formatter, I can filter the email token. So this will only shows the token that you use in the email subject and email body. So use in email body here and use in email subject. So that means you need to add separate value formatting options for each of these. So they'll be properly format once the email is sent. All right, that's pretty much about the value formatter, which allows you to transform the formatting of your Podio data in email, in pre-filled information in PDF, also in Webhook, and document name, email subject, email body. If you have any question, concern, feel free to contact me here. Just click the contact support button on the footer here. All right.